Hi guys, this is the C922 Pro HD stream webcam, capable of recording at 1080p 30 frames per second or 720p at 60 frames per second. Made by Logitech, and with this one it comes with a tripod which is extendable up to 18.5 centimeters, so reasonable. On the back, it tells you what it's got. Obviously, 1080p, 30 frames per second. It comes with a license for XSplit. Field of view is 78 degrees. Let me just pull that a bit closer. Maybe you can see it. The focus is auto, and the microphone is stereo, if that is a requirement. But yeah, the XSplit license is a 3-month one, so give you a bit of time to experiment with it. It is Windows and iOS compatible as well, and you can use it with XSplit OBS. So yeah, good for streaming, or I'm hoping so, because that's what I'm using it for. So what you get in the box, I have opened it just to make it a bit easier. So you've got the webcam at the top, with a reasonably long USB cable. You've got the clamp, and obviously a mount point for the tripod. I'm wondering if you could use this with a standard tripod. I'm presuming so. Just wondering where my mounting bracket is. It looks like it would fit, actually. Let's just see. This is the mounting bracket off my normal DSLR tripod. I have a feeling it will fit. Let's see if I can marry them up. Yeah, there you go. It can mount it. That's interesting. So, if you ever wanted to use this with a bigger tripod, other than the one that comes with it, as long as you've got a standard mounting plate, it'll fit. And then at that point, you could go from ground up. Mine is a pretty tall one once it's fully extended, so it would be quite high, but always good to know. Obviously, you've got the mount, and that's about as far as the camera's going to go. So I'm going to have to try this on the monitor, because I've got a curved Zeus one. I'll have to see if how it'll sit, but otherwise I'm thinking quite like the way it comes with its own mount, which is one reason why I chose this particular one. Or this particular bundle, I should say. So, what else is in here? I'm presuming that this is... Yep. See a little mount. There you go. Put that on there. It's not too bad. To be honest, I would probably keep it at that height myself, if I'm going to use it on the desk, which is what I'm probably going to do. I think that's high enough. Yeah. So you've got that. Actually, let's just marry these two up. Like so. Doesn't look quite straight, but you could play around with it. What else is in here? You've got obviously the XSplit license, installation guide, don't think you really need it, and some safety and compliance information. So yeah, that is what's all in the box. Yeah. So yeah, that is the C922 Pro HD.